I need to be your husband. I need to give you mimba. I need to give you puñelo, Midinyano. You like Midinyano?
No.
Why you know Midinyano? I give you Midinyano. Midinyano is so sweet.
Show me.
Yeah.
First show me. Then I
Midinyano.
decide.
Okay.
Show
You like
me.
Midinyano?
Show me. What is this?
Midinyano is something to do that and me and you to go on your bed. You down, me up. To do Midinyano.
Stop! Oh, यार गंदे लोग. Oh, बदतमीज. अच्छी बातें करो.
It's Midinyano. Midinyano is so sweet. You know, like Midinyano. After Midinyano, I give you a mimba. Why? Why? Come take Midinyano. You know, like Midinyano? Midinyano. So your Midinyano is so nice, okay? Okay, I like your body. I like your body.
But you don't even see my body. You see my breast.
Yeah,
my stiff breast.
Yeah. You are. I like you. I like you.
Buster would say stiff breast and designer body.
You are so beautiful. Okay. Listen. Oh my God. Repeat again.
November, LO.
Okay. Jasmine.
Yes.
I like you. I like your energy.
What do you like about me? That's $1 million question I like to ask men. That's when they don't know what to say. What do you like about me?
I like your face. I like your breast. I like your lips. I like your eyes. You have a big nyash. I like your nyash.
Nash? What is that?
Nyash is butterco. I need to slap your butterco. Pop. You cry. Oh my God. Oh wow. Okay.
Oh no. Oh no, sir. Oh no. I don't think you can do that, sir.
Why?
So mimba is pregnancy and bash is butt.
Me, I need to give you mimba. I give you.
No, you don't give me no mimba. Me don't do mimba. No.
Midinyano.
No
Take
mimba.
mimba.
No mimba. You give me money.
I give you money. No problem. Money is no problem. I give you money. Akini, you give me and you Midinyano. After Midinyano, you take mimba. After
what is Midinyano? What is Midinyano? What is that?
Say Midinyano.
No. Say it again.
Midinyano.
Midinyano.
Okay, say mi pañuano.
Mi pañuano. This is too much for me.
Why? Okay, repeat.
You gotta tell me what I'm saying before I say it.
Midinyano.
That's that I would read my chat that said apana. What does apana mean?
Apana is no. In Swahili language from Tanzania, apana is no.
No, so no member.
Yeah, so me and you to talk. Me and you to do.
Mackenzie, stop.
She's so cute. She's so sweet. I love her.
You love dogs.
Yes, I love animals in general. You know.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I love you. I love you.
You love me? Okay.
Yeah. My people say you love Nimba.
I also love myself. What did you do today?
I'm staying home.
At home? Me too.
Yeah, staying home. Today I sleep. I sleep sana. I like mama.
Okay.
I like I'm God.
Tell me another African song.
African song.
Yeah.
So song is African song. You know, Komasava tulicheka shule. Komasava, Singeli. So Singeli music.
I heard sing. Okay, let's see this one again. Singeri music. Another one from this list. Sabi ka sa ng setan.
Kalabu za Jakopa tena.
Okay, let's see Miss Busa.
Guys, watu wawili watume gifts.
Okay, let's see. Opa. Look, I put this one, Miss Busa.
Miss Buza. Ile Ivani Dula Makabila. Yeah, Miss Buza. You like Miss Buza?
Let's see.
So you Mbosso mshike huyo ameatimba. Nimpakia mkongo.
DJ kidogodogo.
Yeah, let's go Miss Buza. You like Miss Buza song?
Buza.
You like Miss Buza? You have a big nyash. I like your nyash.
Nash? What is that?
Nyash is butterco. I need to slap your butterco. Pop. You cry. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Okay?
Oh no. Oh no, sir. Oh no. I don't think you can do that, sir.
Why?
So mimba is pregnancy and bash is butt.
Me, I need to give you mimba. I give you.
No, you don't give me no mimba. Me don't do mimba. No.
Midinyano.
No
Take
mimba.
mimba.
No mimba. You give me money.
I give you money. No problem. Money is no problem. I give you money. Akini, you give me and you Midinyano. After Midinyano, you take mimba. After
What is Midinyano? What is Midinyano? What is that?
Say Midinyano.
No. Say it again.
Midinyano.
Midinyano.
Okay, say mi panyuano.
Mi puano.
Mi panyuano.
This is too much for me.
Why? Okay, repeat.
You gotta tell me what I'm saying before I say it.
Midinyano.
Says that I would read my chat that said apana. What does apana mean?
Apana is no. In Swahili language from Tanzania, apana is no.
No, so no member.
Yeah, so me and you to talk. Me and you to do.
Mackenzie, stop. What'd you say?
You're so beautiful. You mad. Okay, I need to see you every time.
Follow me.
You're so beautiful. I follow you. Follow back me. Okay.
I follow you back.
Okay, you have a big backside.
You didn't follow me. You followed 13 people. That means you're gonna unfollow me. I don't know who you think you is.
No, I'm not
Guys, what are we
following.
doing?
Hi.
Hey! ادفع عليك على شوارب بي.
Okay, listen. I need to give you mimba. You like mimba?
Mimba, what's Mimba?
Mimba is good life. It's good. It's so sweet. You know?
Good life?
Yeah, it's mimba.
Oh, I love good life. Give me a lot of money, lot of cars, house, mansion.
Yeah.
Take me around the world.
I need to give you mimba. I need to give you Midinyano. And mi punyano, mi pachuano. Okay?
Okay? As
Like
far as
Mimba?
it's a good thing.
You like mimba?
You said it's a good life, of course. Who doesn't like it? Who doesn't like good life, of course?
You're so beautiful.
No, you, ma, thank you.
Okay. Lauren, you like big machine? You're so beautiful. You like big machine?
Big machine?
Yeah, I need to give you big machine.
What's big machine?
Big machine is good life. It's nice. So sweet.
Okay, good, big machine. Here comes. Bring it on.
You like machine?
Yeah, I do. Who doesn't? Bring it on, baby.
Okay, stand up when you see your backside.
Someone said Mimba is pregnant. What does it mean?
I need to slap your nyash.
Wait. It means Mimba is when someone is pregnant.
Mimba is good life. It's not pregnancy. It's good life.
Someone just said Mimba is pregnant.
I need to give you mimba. After give you mimba, you go home. Okay?
We can't hear you.
We can't ban Harry. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Where are you?
We've got no one on.
It's okay.
I'm in Georgia. Not Harry, no.
In Georgia?
I'm in Georgia.
In America?
In America.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, cool. What is this? What is this guy? Hey, what's
Huh?
up, man? Hey, what's up? What's up, girl?
Who are you, Boots?
I like your face. I like your face.
Do you?
Yeah, you are sugaring.
I'm short.
You are sugaring.
Struggling?
Yeah, upindeling.
I don't understand.
Ah? You
We don't understand.
have a boyfriend?
Me?
Eh?
No.
You know a boyfriend?
No, baby, you trying to hit on me on TikTok Live?
He doesn't understand. He speaks
Where
American.
you from? Where you from?
Where?
London.
London.
Yes.
I like this. I like this.
He likes you.
Oh my God. You like big machine?
Is he your type?
Did he just say it? What I thought he just said?
You like big machine?
A big machine?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know big machine?
I don't know what big machine is, no.
Wow, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful.
Thanks.
Are you a sugaring? You're so beautiful.
I'm very scared of big machines.
You like kudinywa? Why you like kudinywa, mshikaji? Why you like kudinywa mwanangu?
Hey?
Why you like kudinywa? You are man. Why you dinywaing?
I'm confused.
I don't know what he's saying.
You are so cutie.
Love that for me.
Okay, you're so cute. You have a mazingira fulani namna gani tu kudinywa. I need to give you mimba.
What language are you speaking?
I speak swagger boy killer bamba clat in the dominant. You know?
Maisha mengine yanaendelea.
Wae washamba kibao, njoo tuwaibie hapa wewe. Washamba kama wote kwenye hii show lazima tuibe simu zenu na hakuna atakayetoka na simu hapa. Baba wewe, hakuna atakayetoka na simu hapa. Wewe washamba kibao, njoo tuwaibie huko au sio? Bwana hamna atakayetoka na simu hapa, nimemaliza. Kwambia njoo station hapa. Njoo station, kuna washamba ndio wameshuka huu muda. Hapa Kariakoo hapa washamba kibao ndo wanashuka. Tukiamua kuiba tunaiba hapa tunaondoka. Unafeli wapi? Wewe njoo hapa mwanangu. Chap matondoki. Hawa atakuwa ametoka wapi? Jamani, abiria nashuka. Nisije nikashuka huko kwenye hii gari. Mtu akaanza kusema yule kaka aliyeshuka ndo kachukua simu yangu. Yule kaka ndo kaniibia. Nashukia kituo hichi hapa. Muwe serious na vitu vyenu humu ndani. Kwa sababu humu washamba ni mchele.